Hi, you are in week 5, and I'm going to show you how to work through your HyperDoc the most efficient way. Log into Google Classroom. Don't go into Stream, go into Classwork. And then when you're in Classwork, I want you to scroll all the way down till you see week 5 and open up the HyperDoc first. That's always going to be your strategy. So now that you are in the HyperDoc, what I'd like you to do is there's the Engage section, which is just reminding you of symbolism. Hang on, this thing is being tricky. And then Explore and Explain are combined this week. There's actually 3 different poems that are going to be in Edmentum, and because they're tricky poems, Miss Bowen and I have read all 3 poems out loud and explained what they mean. It's going to be super helpful for you to watch these 3 very short videos first, and then go into the yellow box, apply, and go to Edmentum. So just a little tip, and maybe you figure this out with your other Edmentum classes. Edmentum works best if you can just sit down and give it like 30 minutes and just go straight through it. So you're going to do the entire unit for discovering the meaning in poetry tutorial, but it's not as bad as it sounds, because anytime you see where an open box where it says type a long answer here, all you're going to do is write the word skip. You're not going to actually type any answers because I can't even really see them. So I do want you to do the multiple choice questions and the drag and drop questions, but nothing else. Just write skip so you can go to the next slide anytime it gives you a box. And in fact, one of the pages you're going to get like 4 boxes in a row. So just write skip, 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 skip. Also, Edmentum is going to prompt you to open up the poems and read them again. You don't have to do that. You've already listened to it. But if you want to open the poems up and look at them again, you can. That's totally up to you. Next week, you're going to have a mastery test on this unit, but we're going to give you a study guide, and it's going to be an open note test. So you can look at the study guide and then take the test. If you want to look at the study guide ahead of time, there's a link to the study guide at the top of this HyperDoc. So that's it for Edmentum. Now get to that green box, the share box, and this has to do with Genius Hour. Last week you came up with a topic for Genius Hour, like I'm doing dog psychology. This week you're going to turn it into a research question to guide your research. So I might turn that into something like, how do dogs learn? Because that's going to give me lots of different avenues of research. I can't answer it with a yes or no, and it's going to help me find the information I need to present my Genius Hour at the end. We're going to talk about all of this in an optional Google Meet on Thursday or Friday, same schedule as last time, same links that are in Google Classroom. You just go to Google Classroom and click on the little video camera where it says Meet, and that should take you there. And just like every week, there's going to be a reflection posted in Google Classroom. It's called the Week 5 Reflection. You want to fill that out as best you can, and that's a grade that will be posted in Student View. If you'd like more work to do, there's always the extend option. You can read it and reach out to me. Have a great week. You're doing wonderfully. Bye.